Alright class, let us proceed with the last method to solve quadratic inequalities, that is using the table of sign method. As it is named table of sign means that you have to construct a table other than draw real number line. So it's actually the same as the real number line method, but now you have to construct a table. Okay, let's take a look the same example as we did before. X plus 2, x minus 3 less than 0. So you assume, let's say x, okay, this pencil, choose, okay, let's draw x plus 2 multiply by x minus 3 equal to 0 because we want to get the point. So x equal to negative 2, x equal to 3. Okay, now you construct a table. So the table must have 4 columns. Alright, so you have here 4 columns. So this is the factor. So you have here x less than negative 2. So here you have x between negative 2 and 3. And the last column x greater than 3. So you divide into 3 parts as a real number line. For example, you have point here negative 2 and 3, right? So you have to divide into how many area? One area, the first area, the second area, and this one, the third area. So the first area means that x less than negative 2. Second area, x between negative 2 and 3. And the third area means that x greater than 3. So we write it down in a table form. So you have the first factor here, x plus 2. So let us try the first area. You choose any value which is less than negative 2. Say it negative 3. You choose any. You can choose any value less than negative 2. So in between you can choose any. So say I choose it 0. So here you choose x greater than 3, any value greater than 3. Let's say you take 4. Okay, the first, this is the first, this one is the second factor. So is the last row are the product of the two factor. All right, let's take a look the first row, the first factor, sorry. So x plus 2. So for example, you take value of negative 3, you insert into the first factor. So what will be the answer? So the answer would be negative sign. Okay, so you put it negative here. And then the second column, x between negative 2 and 3, say I take just now 0. So 0 insert into x plus 2, you will get 2, right? So 2 are positive number. How about 4? You insert into the first factor, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 also positive. Okay, you do the same for the second factor. So negative 3 minus 3, you will get negative 6, right? So negative 6 is negative here. So how about the second part? 0 insert into x minus 3, you will get negative, again negative, and then this one is positive. Now you multiply the two factor together, x plus 2 times x minus 3. So you will have here positive, negative, and positive. So this is the end end result. So which one you want to choose? Positive or negative sign? You look back into the question. So the question ni y mestilah less than 0. So if it is less than 0, you take apa? You take ni negative sign. So bila negative sign, the solution dia adalah apa? Solution dia adalah x mestilah between x mestilah between. Between maksud di antara negatif 2 dan 3. Ni dah dapat daripada table ni. So this is the solution. Okay, that is all about how to solve quadratic inequalities. Alright, thank you.